Replacing a garage door yourself sounds tempting, but it's a challenge many underestimate deeply. Beyond simple installation, replacing a garage door involves complex mechanics and rigorous safety measures. Heavy lifting and precise measurements create high risks. Mistakes can lead to severe accidents and injuries. The tension-loaded springs are particularly dangerous. Mishandling these can cause sudden and catastrophic injuries. Aligning tracks precisely is crucial because even a small misalignment spells trouble for smooth operation. Two capable hands are essential for handling those heavy door panels. Without teamwork, accidents are likely. Many homeowners discover hiring professionals is a smart choice, avoiding the pitfalls of misguided DIY attempts. Common DIY mistakes, like incorrect spring tensioning, often render garage doors dysfunctional and unsafe to use. Regular maintenance and timely repairs keep garage doors safe and efficient, especially in the unpredictable Texas weather. Trust skilled technicians to perform an efficient garage door replacement, ensuring peace of mind for every homeowner.